Good morning, beekeepers. This is Tara from Mann Lake, and I'm here to talk about the November beekeeping buzz on getting our hives wrapped for winter. Well, first off, we're going to get started is we are going to wrap the hive, and then we are going to put some patties on, and we are going to add our quilt box, and we're also going to have our burlap in it. So first we're going to get started is we're going to take our cover off, and we're going to add our bee cozy on, which I've already taken the bee cozy out of the bag. It's rolled up. It's super simple. So all you got to do is take this telescoping or your migratory cover off of the hive, and I'm just going to set this to the side for a minute. Very simple. You just take it up. This is the bee cozy, and just hitting around each corner. It just sits nice and snug there, plus some room, and you can kind of just tuck it down, and they can still get in all right there. You can see that little bit of a gap. So they've got their cover on. What else they're going to need is they need some winter feed. So I've got our winter patties right here, Pro Winter Patties. There's actually comes in a bulk patty, nice bulk patty right here. You can take wax paper or you can just scoop this up and put it right on the frames. I'm just going to simply do some scoops, and I'm going to lay it right on top of the frame so that way they have their winter backup storage feed. I just kind of take this, and then I just patty it on a little bit, press it down, and I'll do that in a couple different spots. You want to probably put up to 5 pounds on there. Trying to get a big old scoop. Trying to disturb them as least as much as possible, just so that way they stay in the hive. Then I just take this big glob, and I kind of fatty it down, push it down. We'll do one more big scoop on the other side. It's pretty easy moldable stuff if you can't tell. I mean, you can just simply take it like this and smash it down into a patty. It's very easy to mold. It's nice texture. I just keep it in the house until I go to use it, so that way it's not cold and stiff with our Minnesota temperatures. And I'll just kind of put that on there. All right. Now that we've got our winter feed on, like I said, you want about 5 pounds for your extra storage. We are going to take our quilt box. So this is our quilt box right here. There's a notch in it right here. You'll want that in the front and down. And what I've taken is our burlap, just broken pieces of burlap. And I've set that right on the top there. And you can simply just remove your inner cover, and you can just set that off to the side unless you're going to be using it for anything. And make sure that's down. And you'll just set that right on there and line everything up. So we have that in there. So we've got our quilt box, we've got our burlap, and then the burlap does help with moisture plus the insulation. But we're also, just because moisture is a big problem, we're going to take our moisture board and we're going to set it right on top of there. And then after that, we're going to take our telescoping cover, or like I said, you can use your migratory cover, and we're going to set that right there. Make sure everything is on there good and fitting good. Might have to squish the cozy down a little bit, kind of just maneuver things so everything is fitting good and snug. And then once you got it on there, then you can kind of tuck it back up. But you're getting that airflow, through here, coming down and into here. So we've got our hive all ready for winter. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, feel free to like and subscribe our YouTube link. And if you guys have questions or other concerns, feel free to give us a call, or you can go online or check out Bella, our beekeeping bot, for any assistance. Otherwise, thanks for viewing.